In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the payments from the customers in bank account. As we can see here, on 9th of January, it says cash received from Archer and Sons in Citibank. So we'll just go to Tally, and if you are in the daybook, you will just press alternate A to directly switch into the voucher creation mode. Or otherwise, if you are on the main screen, we can go to the transactions and click on vouchers and we land to the same area. On the right hand side, we have the receipt option. So I am entering all the transactions as 31st of January because this is the educational version which only allows 1st, 2nd and 31st date to be entered. So we are receiving cash, right? And we are receiving it from Archer and Sons. Total amount is 175,000. That means this is also a partial payment settlement. So 175,000. I'll just write that. And let's check against reference. We don't have anything against reference. That means it is all the opening balance that is settled. Hit enter, enter. And in the narration, I'll just copy this narration right here, paste it in the narration, press Ctrl A, and this is how you can record the receipt of payment from the customers in bank account. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.